These are all the ingredients you will need to be making some vanilla custard buns.
You would need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 8 grams dry yeast, half tablespoon salt, 200 grams warm milk, 30 grams butter, vanilla custard filling, 5 egg yolks, 200 grams condensed milk or half cup, 100 grams vanilla extract, 30 grams of butter. That's all you need for this recipe.
Make sure you have warm milk and pour the yeast into the warm milk and mix it up. Put in all-purpose flour into the bowl, then add milk, sugar, and salt. Then mix well. Take it out the bowl and knead it about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the butter in. Knead it for a few more minutes until smooth. Break 5 eggs and only use the egg yolk. On low heat, put in the egg yolk into the pot, add condensed milk. Stir it, then add the milk and vanilla extract. Continue mixing to avoid burning bottom. Take it out of the bowl. Knead it, then roll it and fold it like this. Then cut it in equal pieces. Roll them like this and make them like a round ball. Make the dough flat. Spread them like this and then put the filling in and then make it back into a round ball. Put a towel on top and then let it sit aside for 20 minutes. Sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch before putting it in the oven. "20 minutes later and it's all done.
Let's try.
Custard is so good. I don't know why. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.